Here we go. This is the first application of Phantom in the state of Hawaii. So this is our new 10-year ceramic coating from System X. It's a two-part coating, the only one of its kind that I'm aware of, where you drop this activator into the ceramic coating, give it a good shake, and then it will activate the ceramic. And then this is the vehicle that we're gonna do. It's a brand new 2026 X3. It's white. And yeah, we're gonna use Phantom on it. So we're gonna see how the install goes, and then we're gonna check back with you and show you guys the finished result. Spray it. So as you can see on the X3, we have a few defects, real minor ones. I noticed them the first time I washed the vehicle. We're gonna just use our Fine Correct. This is our compound. This is our like jeweling polish. But I'm gonna give this a shot. I like to start with the least aggressive first, see if it can take it out. Those look like just surface scratches from shipping. So it should be really easy to get them out. And I've used it and I've got all the defects out of the paint. So I'm gonna check the vehicle, make sure that there's no more stuff, and then we're gonna alcohol wipe it and we're gonna use the new ceramic coating. 350% more durability and protection. Okay, let's go. So the reason why this is so much more durable is because it's 2K. What does that mean? I don't know, I'm not a chemist, but 2K is something to do with probably the hardness or something. Anyway, so we got this bottle right here. We are going to drop the activator in there. And you have about 4 hours. You have to dump this whole thing in there. So that's a plug, that's not a pourer. It's my first time doing this, so dump the entire activator in there. Every last drop. All right, like with anything else, if it's your first time, you better do a sample spot that's not too big, because we don't know how this is gonna flash out. We're gonna do anything. System X, usually our products are super easy to work with. That being said, still gonna use caution. So check back with you after I do a panel, let you know my thoughts. Okay, so what I like to do when I'm first trying any of the products for the first time, I like to do a mirror, because a mirror is easy to fix. And if I'm gonna mess it up or if it's gonna have an issue, this should still be like the other versions. But from my experience, or from what I hear, this is gonna be a little bit more professional grade, meaning like you better pay attention. So we're gonna sit here, wait for the usual beating. I'm gonna get some towels and then we'll come back. Zoom in. So I'm just using a beater towel right now to do the initial wipe. And then I'm gonna come back with my Costco towel. It does feel different than Max G Plus. It has like it's like, feels like a candy coating. It's pretty interesting. Let's see when we do another panel. Ooh, that thing is slick.